I'll be showing you how to make an eye mask that molds the contours of your face with Warbler's finest art. Hi, I'm Jack from Flints and welcome to another Backstage Flints video. Today we're going to delve into the world of cosplay and thermoplastics. Thermoplastics are an extremely useful material whose use has been pioneered by the cosplay community for recreating props from fandom at home just using hot water or a heat gun. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a simple eye mask just to demonstrate the Warbler's capabilities. So first start by getting a template from the internet and then just tracing it onto the Warbler itself, and you can cut that out. Warbler is activated by heat, so that softens it. So to mould this to my face, I'm going to dip it into some hot water. The water acts as a barrier between the plastic and your face, as well as softens the plastic. If you were to just use the heat gun, it'd become tacky and might stick into your face and scald it. So I don't recommend that. So I've used the hot water for this. This is just water out of the kettle that I've let cool slightly so it doesn't scald me. You just simply dip the cut out shape into the water. Just let it soften slightly. Doesn't need to be in there for very long. Then you can just put it straight onto your face. But make sure you press it in to all your grooves. And there you have it. That's that bit done. So once you've got your form of your basic eye mask formed to your face, you can then paint it, or you can add extra bits like I've done to this pig here. With Warbler, you can cut into strips, and using a heat gun or a hairdryer, you can exaggerate points, just make it a bit more elaborate. For this one though, I'm just going to be painting it in acrylics. I'm using the Hatto Design good quality flexible scenic paint, so that sticks to plastics really well. Once it's all painted and dried, you can then punch some holes in the side and attach your bungee. And there we have it, a green superhero mask. To get you started at home, we've made up a kit for you. It's got a selection of Houseman Hatto Design paints, like what I've used on here. 2 A4 sheets of Warbler, so you can get quite a few masks out of that, and a paintbrush and a length of bungee cord to attach it to your head. Remember to follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, stay safe and lots of love from Flints.